Welcome to RapzWorldWide software. On this video, I will be showing you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A12 in case you forgot your password. So stay tuned and follow my simple steps. In the first step, you have to press the volume down and power button simultaneously until you see a blank screen. Then before it turns to the Samsung logo, immediately press the volume up and power button. Once it gets to the hard reset menu, then you are going to use volume up and down to scroll up or down. Then use the power button to select. Start selecting Wipe Cache Partition, and then wipe all data or factory reset. Then wait until your phone fully reset. Click Reboot to restart your device. That can take several minutes, so be patient. Then congratulations, your phone is fully reset. If you remember the Gmail you used before, then enter it to recover your data, but if not, then you can watch my other video on the description below to remove FRP. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more.